Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is freelancing for you? Part 9. Let's be real. Not everyone is meant to be an entrepreneur or a freelancer. Not everyone can be your own boss. So, is freelance writing for you? Here's one way to find out. How do you handle criticism? A. Do you take it personally, as if it's a rejection of you, not just your work? Or B. Do you see it as a feedback, an opportunity to improve? Freelancing comes with constant feedback. Some of it is constructive, some not so much. The key? Develop a thick skin. Learn to filter criticism, take what helps, and leave the rest. Because in the world of freelance writing, resilience is just as important as talent. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.